If you're looking to build stronger, more powerful legs while reducing stress on your lower back, the Atlantis C-212 Pendulum Squat is one of the best machines you can use. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use it safely and effectively. Before starting, adjust the shoulder pads and safety stops so the machine fits your height. Load the same amount of weight on both sides to keep the movement balanced. If you're using the machine for the first time, begin with a light weight and focus on learning the movement. Step onto the footplate with your feet about shoulder width apart. Position your shoulders firmly under the pads and grab the handles. Brace your core, keep your chest up, and unlock the machine. Slowly lower yourself by bending your knees and hips. Keep your heels flat on the platform and let your knees track naturally over your toes. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the footplate, or as far as your mobility allows while maintaining good form. Pause briefly at the bottom, then drive through your heels to push the weight back up. Squeeze your quadriceps and glutes at the top without locking your knees completely. Maintain a controlled tempo throughout every repetition and avoid bouncing at the bottom. For muscle growth, perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. Rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets. As your strength improves, gradually increase the weight while keeping your technique perfect. Common mistakes include lifting your heels off the platform, rounding your lower back, rushing the movement, or using more weight than you can control. Focus on quality reps instead of chasing heavy loads. The Atlantis C-212 Pendulum Squat is an excellent choice for building stronger quads, glutes, hamstrings, and overall lower body strength. Use proper form, stay consistent, and you'll see impressive results over time. Once you've mastered the basic movement, it's time to make the most of the Atlantis C-212 Pendulum Squat. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its smooth arc of motion, which allows you to train your legs with excellent stability while placing less stress on your lower back than a traditional barbell squat. Your foot placement can change which muscles work the hardest. A shoulder width stance targets the quadriceps evenly. Moving your feet slightly higher on the platform increases glute and hamstring activation, while a lower foot position places more emphasis on the quads. Try each position and find the one that feels most comfortable and effective for your body. Breathing is another important part of the exercise. Take a deep breath before lowering yourself into the squat and tighten your core to create stability. Exhale as you drive the weight back to the starting position. This simple technique helps protect your spine and improves your overall strength. If your goal is muscle growth, use a weight that challenges you while allowing perfect form for 8 to 12 repetitions. For strength, perform 4 to 6 controlled reps with a heavier load. No matter your goal, never sacrifice technique just to lift more weight. Many lifters make the mistake of rushing through the movement. The lowering phase should always be slow and controlled. Spending 2 to 3 seconds on the way down increases muscle tension and leads to better results. At the bottom of the squat, avoid bouncing. Instead, pause briefly before pushing upward with power and control. The Atlantis C-212 Pendulum Squat works best when combined with other lower body exercises such as Romanian deadlifts, leg curls, calf raises, and walking lunges. Together, these movements build balanced leg strength and improve athletic performance. Remember to warm up before every workout with light cardio and dynamic stretches. After your training session, spend a few minutes stretching your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves to improve flexibility and support recovery. Consistency is the key to progress. Focus on proper technique, gradually increase the weight over time, and stay committed to your training plan. With patience and disciplined effort, the Atlantis C-212 Pendulum Squat can become one of the most effective exercises for building stronger, more muscular legs while improving overall lower body performance.